So we want to calculate the surface area of the prisms shown. So we can see the first one that we have here is a triangular prism with a right-angled triangle. Now we've got this end surface here, which is a triangle, and we know that the area of that will be half times the base times the height. But we'll have one over here on the far side as well. So we've got two of those. We've got this surface on the top here, which we can see is a rectangle that is 10 by 12. We'll have a surface on the back, which is 6 here and 12 that way. So that is going to be 6 times 12. And we'll also have a surface on the bottom, which is a rectangle, which will be 8 times 12. And then we just need to put all of those together. So that is going to be, so half times 8 times 6. If we times that by 2, the 2 and the half just cancel each other out. So that is just going to be 8 times 6 for the two triangles. Then we're going to add 10 times 12, add 6 times 12, and add 8 times 12. And that gives me 336. And in this case, it would be in square centimeters. So if we now look at the cylinder, we're going to have two circles. Now note they're giving us the diameter here. So the radius is 4. So we're going to have two of those circles. So it's going to be two lots of pi times 4 squared. Then we're going to have the curved surface. Now the curved surface is given by 2 pi rh. So that's going to be 2 times pi times 4 times 20. And then we need to calculate that. We're asked to give it to one decimal place. So we've got 2 times pi times 4 squared. Add 2 times pi times 4 times 20. And that gives me 603.2. And in this case, that's in square meters. When making the cylinders in A part 2, there's a 50% wastage in the material used. What area of material would be needed to make 10 cylinders to the nearest 10 square meters? So if we waste 50%, 603.1, whatever it was, times 1.5 would be the amount of material we need. So let's just multiply that by 1.5, and we get 904.77 and so on. Now, if we want to make 10 of them, we're just going to do that 904.77 and so on. And we're going to multiply that by 10. So that is going to be 9047.7 and so on. So to the nearest 10 square meters, that's going to be 9050 square meters.